Today I will show you how you can create a virtual credit card that can be used for PayPal verification, ChatGPT, Google Pay, and Apple Pay, and everywhere in the world that accepts Visa or Mastercard. So let's get started. First of all, visit www.cvcwallet.com. The link will be also provided in my video description. Check the description and go to cvcwallet.com. Then just click sign up. Then enter your email address to sign up. Let me just enter my address, and they will send a code to your email. So the verification code has been sent. Let me check my email. Where is the code? Also, don't forget to check your spam folder. Maybe the message can be delivered also to spam. So it's 646143. 646143. Okay, so I have completed the registration process. Now I have to enter all my details. Let me just quickly fill up this. Okay, so I have registered to the website. Now they are asking me to verify the KYC. You can just click on the verify button now, and then you can provide your photo ID to verify your account. Also, they have an option, if you can deposit 500 USD, then you can knock them on WhatsApp to bypass the KYC, or actually after depositing contact them, so what they tell you to do. Okay, now just let me verify the account. I am clicking on verify now, and I am pausing the video until I have verified my account. After verification, they will redirect you to the dashboard this way. This is actually very easy. Just it takes less than 1 minute to complete the verification. Okay, so now I will deposit some money to create the virtual card. Let me show you. First, they have two card option, Visa card and Mastercard. So I will go for the Mastercard for now. You can also create a Visa card, and to create a card or do so, you must have to set a pin. Okay, so let me set a pin. So when the pin is set up, then we can go for Mastercard, and I will deposit first. Okay, I will first deposit money, and let's see, Mastercard, create a card. So here is the matter. Actually, the virtual card fee is let me just, okay, I will create a 5 USD. You cannot create a card under 5 USD. So 5 USD and total payable is 10. So they have a 5 USD card creation fee. That's why I have to add some money. So you can add money from various methods like Binance Pay, or a lot of USDT methods are available here. So I will go for the XRP option, and XRP minimum deposit is 15 USD. Okay, fine, no problem. So I will deposit 15 USD here. Okay, it is going to ask for pin. Okay, let me deposit 15 USD. Okay, so let me just complete the deposit method, then I will again continue the video. The crypto, actually after sending the money, crypto takes some times to confirm your transaction. So let me pause the video for now. The deposit, so you can see that my balance is 15 USD. So now we are going to create a virtual card here. Okay, let's create card, and they are asking for your date of birth. Enter your date of birth here. Let me select mine. Okay, so okay, February 21. Okay, so you have to put one of these. So text pair, let me enter my national identification number. Okay, so this is my national identification number, and this is my phone number. enter country code. I don't know if you have to enter it with country code or without country code. And now the amount, I will create a card with 5 USD and the charge will be this is remember that this is a one time fee to create the card. Then you can reload your card unlimited time without any cost or without any extra service. So that's it. Now just click on buy virtual card and enter your pin again, and that's it. It will take some time and work. So first of all, before creating the virtual card, complete your profile first here. Okay, you have to enter your address, full address, and after all this, so then initiate to create the card, otherwise you will get some error as I got it. Okay, then let me just quickly fill up this. Okay, now buy card and the pin you have to enter again, and the card will be generated. My card has been created. After creating the card, when the card is generated successfully, you will be redirected to this page, and you can see that I have created one card and I can still create 500 more cards. Okay, so you can see the card transaction here, you can fund the card here, or you can also see the card details by clicking on the details button, and just click on the eye icon here and the card details will be shown. For the security purpose, I am not going to show the I am not going to view the balance here. Okay, my card balance should be 5 USD. It's showing 7.29. Maybe it's a cache or something. The card balance is 5 USD. Okay, so no problem. And now this is the system actually. Also, you can create a Visa card here, but to create a Visa card you have to submit KYC again. I don't know this system why, as because we already submitted the KYC first time, then again we have to submit these details, and these details actually directly goes to the card issuer bank. So only the bank reviews this, and within 12 to 24 hours your application will be accepted. If you provide real documents, then it will be you can create the card. So I will recommend to use this, or you can also Visa card is good, but in my case the Visa card works the most, and I think the Visa card option is good. And there I have used a lot to a lot of merchants this Visa card, and there was no problem. So I will also recommend you to use this Visa card by submitting your KYC again to the bank, and then you can use it seamlessly. And the important thing is wherever you are, from anywhere in the world, you can get this CVC Wallet virtual credit card from anywhere in the world. And also this is a credit card. Let me show you one thing. If you can if you search with the first 6 digit, let me just show you card bin checker. Okay, so the bin is 537100, and here if you do search with this, you will see that it's a credit card. So get a virtual credit card, not a prepaid or not a debit. There is a lot of virtual card websites who provide you a debit or prepaid card, but the facilities you get from credit card, you will never get that from the debit or prepaid card. So get the card right now, and do not hesitate. So thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe, like this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.